Okay, so after posting this video, I have been getting a ton of questions about what camera I used on my helmet to record that. So on my visor, I have the Insta360 Go 3S camera, and it's just like a mini GoPro. The quality is amazing. However, it does not pick up sound the best. So I still use a GoPro in my car as well. And it's just a magnet that holds it into the visor mount. So, and sometimes you'll see I do put a piece of electrical tape on here to hold it, because sometimes when I'm getting into the car, just the vibration of just bouncing down into the car, sometimes it knocks this out, because the only thing that holds it is the magnet. And so sometimes I will just put a piece of electrical tape here to hold it. And so my friends at Boss Racing have made this with their 3D printer. And so it is just a tiny screw that holds it to your visor. There is also some sticky tape underneath here, and so that also holds it here. So this cannot move at all. And then there's 2 screws here for the mount. So you can change out this mount piece. You can do a vertical, or you could do a horizontal piece. You can also do a GoPro mount that they make. So you can do a GoPro mount horizontally or vertically. And so this is how I am able to get those really cool POV shots while I am in the car. Here's what it looks like when it is on my helmet, and it is super easy to use because it's just a 1 click, 1 press, it will beep, and now it is recording. And so all you do is just click it to turn it back off. So super easy to do. So I don't know exactly how long of videos it can do because there is no SD card here. So it does come with a case that holds it that you can also use as a mount, very similar to a GoPro. I don't know if it will fit any GoPro cases, but probably not because I haven't ever tried that. But it also comes with some other mounts as well. So you could do like a hat clip. You can do one on a chest with a magnet clip. So it's really cool. I do love this camera. The quality is amazing, but like I said, the only downfall so far is the sound quality is not as good as a GoPro camera. And also I don't know the length of video that it can do because I just turn it on right before we start the car, and then I turn it off right before I get out of the car. So I'm only using it for about, I don't know, 2 or 3 minutes at a time per run, but the charge does last forever. I only charge it once a weekend, and it lasts all weekend. So I love it. I have not tried the GoPro mount on the visor. I do have it, but since I got the Insta360 Go 3S camera, I have only been using this on the helmet, and I love it. And also I wanted to just take the time to kind of explain my helmet design because I absolutely love this, and I haven't really explained it since I've got it because I've only used this helmet a few times because I've only raced 1 or 2 times a year. So this is actually my 3rd race this year. So on the back we have this beautiful deer scene here. My favorite type of deer is an axis. So this is very similar to an axis deer. I actually saw this picture on Instagram. I have no idea who posted it, but I sent it to the painter and I was like, I love this mural. I would love to have something like that on my helmet. I also have the pink and blue, which if you have followed me for a long time, you know that other paint schemes, other wraps that I've had on cars have always been pink and blue. Those are my favorite colors. So I wanted to incorporate those into this, especially because there is no pink on my car right now. So pink and blue, I love the sparkles that is in there. You can kind of see that detail in the light blue there. And then I told him, I was like, hey, I really love patterns. So he added this pattern in the blue section there and really tied it all together with the silver gray accents. And then last but not least, I told him I love helmets where it has the driver's name on the side. And so he did add my first name onto there. So I absolutely love how this helmet turned out. I think it looks amazing, and you know, I wish I could race more just so I can use this, but it does look really good when it's just sitting on the table. So by far my favorite helmet design. The second favorite that I have is honestly the only other helmet that I've had custom painted, and that was one with my Super Comp Dragster where it was pink with like some silver accents, and it was black in the back, pink in the front, and it has some skulls painted inside of the pink because I love skulls. I did go through an emo phase and all that stuff, so my Super Comp Dragster had some skulls on it. But yeah, so this is my helmet. I got it in 2023, and it's been 2 years later and still looks brand new because it's barely been ran.